Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to customize your Twitch channel for free. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Your Twitch channel is an online presence and a reflection of your personal brand. Customizing it allows you to stand out and engage your viewers and create a unique streaming experience. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of customizing your Twitch channel without spending a dime. So whether you're a new streamer looking to start off on the right foot or a seasoned broadcaster wanting to refresh your channel's look, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Now for today's video, I'm going to talk about two ways you can add designs to your Twitch. One is absolutely for free, but you would need to do everything and create your designs by yourself. And the other one is paid, but you will be able to create amazing and professional designs created just for you. We're both going to talk about these two, so let's get started. Now, the paid version is when you get a design on this website called Own3D. Own3D is a website that is specifically for streamers. As you can see here, as we scroll down, you will be able to see different tools, different designs, different emote that you could buy in this website. A design example is these three over here. As you can see, this is a design for the dark mode. As you can see, it is very professional and has its own animation. We have this second design over here, which is very similar. It has its own design and unique animation. And we also have this third one over here, which is black and white. Now, the other way we could create our design for Twitch, which is absolutely for free, is by using this platform called Canva. Or if you want to have a photo, you could also use this platform called Pexel that allows you to have and use different photos absolutely for free without any problems. These are all free stock photos that you could use. Now, going back here in Twitch, how do you edit the design for your Twitch channel? It is very simple. You're simply going to click on your profile over here on the top right, and you're going to click on the creator dashboard. Over here on the creator dashboard, you will be able to edit settings about your Twitch. Over here on the left side, you're going to click on settings and click on your channel. Now, we will be able to edit specific informations about our channel. As you can see here on our profile settings, the first thing you can change is your username. You can change your username to whatever unique name that you would like your brand to have. Keep in mind that there will be limitations to change your username. As you can see here, I may only be able to change my username in 1 week and 2 days. There will be a time limit or like a time duration before you can change and update your username once again. You could also edit your display name over here, which is different from your username. Your username and display name would be displayed separately. You could also edit your bio over here, add something very catchy so that you will be able to attract viewers, add some information about yourself or whatever you would like to have for your bio. Now scrolling down, you will be able to also add social links to your Twitch. As you can see here, I have added a random example, which is YouTube. You will be able to see here also that we have YouTube over here, so that when people clicks on this button, they would be redirected to your YouTube channel. If you have a Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever YouTube platform that you have, you can simply link them to your social links over here and put the URL here in the link URL and then the title over here. Make sure that you are using the HTTPS format over here because it would not work if you don't use this format over here. Now moving on, the next thing you could do is for your brand. Clicking on brand, you will be able to add a profile picture. Of course, you would need a profile picture. You will be able to use JPEG, PNG, and GIFs over here, but it cannot exceed 10 MB over here. You're going to simply click on add profile picture and you will be able to have a new profile picture for your Twitch. You could also edit your profile accent color over here. As you can see, it is currently green right now, but you could change this around by dragging it around here, changing the different colors just like this. If you have a color in mind, you can simply put in the code over here and you will be able to use that specific color that you have in mind for your team. As you can see here, this is what it would look like on a light theme and this is what it would look like on a dark theme. After choosing your color, you're simply going to click on Save Changes. After that, the next thing you could edit is your profile banner. Right now, we are using the generated background, which is, we're going to refresh this. We're going to see what it would look like. This is what our background would look like. A very dull looking background with our username or our channel name over here in the background. So we're going to create our own profile banner over here. You could use Canva to create your own banner, because if you don't want to buy over here, of course, it will be included in the package over here. If ever you do buy, you will be able to have your own profile banner based on these designs over here. But right now, we're going to go with a free option, so we're going to click on custom image. For the custom image, you would need to have a format of JPEG, PNG, GIF, and the recommended size is 12,000 over here and 480 over here. Keep in mind that it shall not exceed 10 Mbps, so be careful with that. So we're going to create our own design over here by going to Canva, and you're going to have your design size as 1200 over here and 480 over here. Now, as you can see, this is our design. What we're going to do is we're going to think of a theme or a topic that we would like to have for our design, and then we're going to search for the specific element. Now, what we did was color blue, so maybe our design or theme would be ocean. So we could search in background ocean cartoon, just like that, or digital art. You could use that instead, digital art, just like that. And you will be able to see here in the photos, there are a lot of different designs over here that you could use for the background. It doesn't really matter what kind of designs that you have. You can simply go with a very simple one. For example, we have this one, or you could use anything else, maybe this one instead, just like that. And you could adjust the sizing over here, like what you will be seeing, just like that. After choosing your design, you're simply going to click on download over here on the share, download, and save it as PNG or JPEG over here. We're going to download this as a PNG for now. And you won't need to add any information in this section because, like I said earlier here, it will just be the background. So we're going to go here, click on upload, and we're going to upload our design just like this. I'm going to wait. And just like that, we have our custom image as our background right now. We're going to click on save, and we're going to move on. Over here on the video banner, this is what people would see when you're offline. As you can see here in this page, we have this YouTube section over here, this offline part over here. You will be able to add and customize the message appearing in this section. Now, what you would need to do is go to Canva once again. The design size is 1920 and 1080 over here. And as you can see, what you're going to put here is like the offline message and your Twitch schedule over here. This is just a sample, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to search for a background. You could use any type of background that you want. You just have to keep in mind that your file size is going to be limited, so be careful with that. So we're going to go with this one for now. And we're going to click on download once again. Like I said earlier, you could use any type of design that you want. But for us right now, we're going to go with this one, and we're going to upload it once again. And just like that, we're going to wait for it to upload. And success, just like that. And now we can click on update. And now we could check out our Twitch over here. We're going to click on refresh. And as you can see, we have our background as the specific one that we have chosen, and our video player banner over here as the design that we have chosen. Now you can simply edit your panels over here. Click on about, edit your panels. You could add panels over here like your donation page or about page, or whatever page you would like to have. You could add your panel title over here, URL, and description over here. And you can simply upload the image or design that you would like to have for your panel in this section. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.